Hey guys, this is B, and today we are going to make this cute little romper. These are all the pattern pieces that you will need. I have them in the link below. First, you are going to take one bottom piece and one bodice piece together. Make sure the right side of the fabric is in. Then you are going to sew a zigzag stitch on the long edge and then a straight stitch. Your straight stitch will need to be about 1 centimeter down from the zigzag stitch. Once you're done with that, open it up. You should have a little flap. Flip that flap up towards the bodice and sew a straight stitch on the edge. This will create a little tunnel for the elastic later so you can insert it in. Get your elastic and a safety pin, and on the edge you're going to insert your elastic in. Once you have it through, you are going to sew a straight stitch to keep the elastic in. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Then we are going to take the two finished sides and place them together. Make sure the right side of the fabric is always in. Then you're going to line them up, and then on the right and the left edges, you're going to sew a straight stitch all the way through and a zigzag. The zigzag keeps it from fraying. Once you are done, open it up and you are going to sew a zigzag stitch all around the top and all around the bottom. Once you are finished with that, take the top part and fold it down 1 centimeter. This will create a little tunnel for the elastic to go in later. This is similar to the waist part. And then sew a straight stitch all around, but at the end, leave a little opening so you can insert the elastic. Leave about 1 inch. Now do the same on the bottom part. This will be the leg holes. Fold it down 1 centimeter and sew a straight stitch. Now you're going to insert the elastic. Make sure you are inserting the elastic going the same direction as the flap is facing. So go from left to right if the flap is facing right. Then sew a little straight stitch to keep the elastic in place and repeat the same step on the other side. Now you are going to close up the bottom part, take the two end pieces, match them together and sew a straight stitch. Make sure you double stitch as well so this can secure it. Then take your elastic and put it through the top. Once you have it through, leave a little bit of the elastic out at the end as you will attach the two pieces together. Once you have it through, overlap the elastic on top of each other about 1 inch. You will straight stitch a few times to keep it together. Stretch it out and sew a straight stitch to close the opening. And there you have it. This is the finished part of the bodice piece. Flip it over and then we will move on to the arms. Take your arm pieces and zigzag stitch all around. Once you have that done, you're going to take one piece and fold it, match up the short edge, and sew a straight stitch. Always make sure the right side of the fabric is in. Then we are going to take one side and create a little tunnel for the elastic. Fold it down 1 centimeter and sew a straight stitch around, leaving a little opening. We don't need to insert an elastic on the other side, so you can just hem it by folding it down 1/2 centimeter and straight stitching it all the way around closed. Insert your elastic in. Stitch them together and close up the little opening. Now we are going to attach them to the bodice. First, you are going to line up the edges and then do a little stitch on the top several times to attach them together. Repeat on the other side. And voila, there you have it, our little off-shoulder romper. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, like, and subscribe.